This is a 2007 Saab 9.3 wagon. It's a pretty blue metallic color with the factory alloy wheels. You can see it's got the rack on the top. Also has the rear wiper. With being a hatchback style, it gives you extra space in the rear for storage. Take a look inside. See, it's got neutral color leather interior. Factory radio, CD player, about 82,000 miles. If you're interested, you can come by or give us a call at 803-252